Senior Leadership and Management Masterclasses to influence your output, growth, change and culture.
You absolutely cannot have interruptions and distractions in your Q2 because you have to get into what athletes call the
zone.
Which course did you do? Which courses? You need to get into the zone, which in psychology is called flow or flow state. I told you I'll bring in some psychology, so you need to use the noggin. You need to engage the cognition to be able to execute a particular strategy, at least drive us forward and get the job done. By flow, any idea or what do you do? What do athletes do to get into the zone, do you think? Concentration, what else?
Have a routine, like a set way of steps into it.
Yes.
It's habitual.
Okay, what else do you think they might do?
Listen to music.
Yes, okay, all right. More general than that, if we were to define flow itself, it's a balance and an alignment. An alignment would be the word of neurology, biology, physiology, and your psychology. This is where the opposite would be, I'm doing it, but then at the back, you said back of your mind, I think, didn't you, earlier? With something at the back of your mind says you should be doing something else. Or biologically, as far as biochemistry is concerned, you're just not there. You haven't been able to produce enough endorphins just yet to really get going. So to get into the zone, you might want to just do some star jumps, some exercises, something where no one else can see you. You said concentrate, Bruno, where you just focus. Yes, but manage your emotional state as well, because you can't do a Q2 unless there's some passion behind it. This is all about vision and dreaming. And if we're leaders and visionaries, business owners and so forth, then we need to be able to engage some passion. The Q1s is the reverse. There's an emotional content to the Q1s, but it's what was the S word?
Stressful.
Just stress. So there's more, biochemically, there's more cortisol, okay, in your Q1s. Okay, there's more endorphins, and certainly what we want to do is to produce more of the neurotransmitter of, I said endorphins, dopamine. Need more dopamine. This is where you are thinking, yeah, this is absolutely what I want. And I'm telling you, this is more therapeutic and satisfying than your Q4s. This is majorly therapeutic. This is where you're getting out of that headspace of all that firefighting, and you're thinking, how can I make my life better? How can I make everyone else's life better in the company, in the team? Yeah, for the clients, more, better, best.
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.